Making money with Google Books involves leveraging its platform for self-publishing, promotion, and sales. Here's how you can monetize Google Books. Self-publish ebooks on Google Play Books. Google Play Books allows authors to self-publish their books and sell them on the Google Play Store. You can write and publish fiction, non-fiction, guides, or textbooks. To start, create an account on the Google Play Books Partner Center, upload your book, set a price, and start selling. Google offers a revenue share model, where authors earn a percentage of each sale. The more your book sells, the more you earn. Promote your books. Promote your books through social media, blogs, or YouTube to drive traffic to your Google Play Books page. You can also use Google Ads to run campaigns targeting specific readers interested in your niche. Leverage your book's content to attract reviews, which can improve its visibility on Google Books and attract more buyers. Offer audiobooks or additional content. Consider creating an audiobook version of your book or supplementary materials, and sell them through Google Play or other platforms like Audible.